Hey there, food lovers! Today we're diving into the exciting world of plant-based eating. It's all about enjoying delicious food that's good for you and the planet. Plant-based eating means filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with nutrients that keep your body strong and energized. Plus, they taste amazing. You can enjoy plant-based meals in countless ways. From hearty stews to fresh salads, there's something for everyone to love. Get ready to explore a world of flavors and discover the power of plant-based nutrition. Let's get cooking.
Eating more plants is like giving your body a high five. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are like superheroes for your health. Eating plant-based can help your heart stay strong. It can also help control your blood sugar and keep your weight in check. Feeling good helps you enjoy life more. Plant-based foods are naturally low in unhealthy fats and cholesterol. This means they can lower your risk for some diseases. Eating more plants is a delicious way to take care of yourself from the inside out.
Many people wonder where to get protein on a plant-based diet. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Plants have plenty of protein to keep your muscles strong. Think beans, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. These plant powerhouses are packed with protein. Quinoa, nuts, and seeds are also great sources. You can easily add these ingredients to your meals. Toss some beans in your salad, enjoy lentil soup, or snack on a handful of almonds.
Ready to start planning your plant-based meals? It's easier than you think. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables. Think leafy greens, crunchy carrots, or juicy tomatoes. Next, add a quarter plate of whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. These provide energy and fiber. The last quarter of your plate is for plant-based protein. Enjoy lentils, tofu, tempeh, or beans. Don't forget healthy fats. Add a sprinkle of nuts, seeds, or avocado to your meals. These fats keep you feeling full and satisfied.
Get ready for some delicious plant-based recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. These treats are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Combine rolled oats, your choice of plant-based milk, chia seeds, and a drizzle of maple syrup in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight for a creamy and satisfying breakfast. Top it off with fresh berries, nuts, or a dollop of almond butter for added flavor and texture. Blend together your favorite fruits, leafy greens, a scoop of plant-based protein powder, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. You can also add a spoonful of flax seeds or chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Spread hummus on whole wheat tortillas. Fill with an array of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, carrots, and sprouts. Add a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for extra crunch. Roll them up tightly and slice them into bite-sized pieces for a perfect snack or light lunch. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery in a pot. Add lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices. Simmer until the lentils are tender. Enjoy a warm and comforting bowl of soup. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an added burst of flavor. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot. Add diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and a blend of curry spices. Stir in chickpeas and simmer until the flavors meld. Serve over brown rice. For a complete meal, pair it with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. Toss cubed tofu in your favorite stir-fry sauce. Stir-fry with your favorite vegetables and serve over noodles or rice. Add a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a squeeze of lime juice for a zesty finish.
Choosing plant-based foods isn't just good for your body, it's good for the planet too. Meat production uses a lot of land, water, and energy. Eating more plants helps reduce our impact on the environment. Did you know that growing plants uses less water than raising animals for food? It also helps reduce greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. By choosing plant-based meals, you're doing your part to protect our planet. Reducing our meat consumption is one of the best things we can do for a healthier planet. Every plant-based meal makes a difference.
Many people choose a plant-based lifestyle because they care about animals. Factory farming can be cruel to animals. By choosing plant-based foods, you're taking a stand against animal cruelty. Eating plant-based supports a kinder and more compassionate food system. It's about respecting all living beings and making choices that align with our values. Every time you choose a plant-based meal, you're making a difference for animals. Choosing kindness and compassion feels good. It's a win-win for animals and for you. And
Congratulations on taking this exciting step towards a healthier and more compassionate lifestyle. Remember, you don't have to go plant-based overnight. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Try a new plant-based recipe, explore different cuisines, and have fun with it. There are endless possibilities when it comes to plant-based eating. Embrace the journey and enjoy the delicious flavors and incredible benefits that come with it. Together, we can make a difference for our health, our planet, and all its creatures. Let's get cooking.
Very good oatmeal. Ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of plant-based milk, a quarter cup of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Optional instructions: 1. Combine oats and plant-based milk in a saucepan. 2. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the oats are tender and the mixture has thickened. 3. Remove from heat and stir in berries, walnuts, and maple syrup if desired. Tropical smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, half a cup of pineapple chunks, half a banana, half a cup of coconut water, a quarter cup of spinach leaves. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. Mediterranean quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup of cooked quinoa, which serves as the hearty base of our salad. Half a cup of chopped cucumber, adding a refreshing crunch. Half a cup of cherry tomatoes, halved for a burst of sweetness. A quarter cup of Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced, bringing a briny flavor. A quarter cup of crumbled feta cheese, optional for a creamy, tangy touch. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which will help blend all the flavors together. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, adding a zesty kick. Salt and pepper to taste to enhance the overall flavor. Instructions: 1. Combine quinoa, cucumber, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese if using in a large bowl. 2. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a small bowl until well combined. 3. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine thoroughly. Black bean burgers. Ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of black beans, rinsed and drained, to form the base of our burgers. Half a cup of cooked brown rice, adding texture and nutrition. A quarter cup of chopped onion, for a bit of sharpness and flavor. A quarter cup of breadcrumbs to help bind the mixture together. 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin for a smoky, spicy kick. Salt and pepper to taste, to season the mixture. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Mash the black beans in a large bowl until mostly smooth. 3. Stir in the rice, onion, breadcrumbs, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper until well combined. 4. Form the mixture into patties, making sure they are even in size. 5. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through to ensure even cooking. Lentil and vegetable curry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 inch of ginger, grated, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained, 1 cup of red lentils, picked over and rinsed, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of chopped vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, peas, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. 2. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 3. Stir in garlic, ginger, curry powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Cook for 1 minute more. 4. Add diced tomatoes, lentils, vegetable broth, and vegetables. 5. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until lentils are tender. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy this hearty, nutritious meal. Spaghetti squash with marinara sauce. Ingredients: 1 spaghetti squash, 1 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Optional instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut spaghetti squash in half lengthwise and scoop out seeds. 3. Place squash halves cut side down in a baking dish and add half an inch of water to the bottom of the dish. 4. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes or until tender. 5. Once cool enough to handle, use a fork to scrape the squash into strands. This will create spaghetti-like strands. 6. Heat marinara sauce in a saucepan until it simmers gently. 7. Toss spaghetti squash strands with marinara sauce until well combined. 8. Garnish with fresh basil leaves if desired. Serve immediately and enjoy this light, flavorful dish.